My name is Temi. I'm Operations Coordinator for Elevation Networks Trust, which is a youth employment charity passionate about social mobility, and we work with young people aged between 11 to 25. Elevation Networks' biggest challenge has been managing the change, going from a really even smaller organisation to where we were about 5 years ago, and been delivering large volume projects and being able to manage that change because it's been really fast moving, fast growing, fast paced. So yeah, it's been exciting and challenging. We've been using Sage 50 accounts for over 2 years now. We manage our charitable funds using Sage 50 accounts. The way the chart of accounts is set up for the charity is a lot different and it's quite tailored to charities, which is really good. So what the software allows you to do is to have a section where you can track every fund that you receive. You can allocate expenditures to those funds, and what it does is you're able to generate fund reports, which is really good and helps when we have to report to grant funders about what money's been spent on what we've received. Being a charity, we have restricted and unrestricted funding, and it's really important that we have a clear system and a clear bookkeeping process on how those transactions are recorded. So the software really helps to do that effectively. The features on the Sage 50 accounts that are most useful, I think, will be the charitable funds. It really helps to mitigate against any human errors that might occur where you have an Excel spreadsheet. With Sage, if there are errors anywhere, if there's been overspend on a fund, it comes up as an error, and you're able to quickly address that and find out what's wrong. So I think it's been really useful. I think the reports feature as well is a really big part in terms of the software, because we can generate reports that are easy to understand, that gives a quick summary on maybe a project or a specific fund, which is quite useful and beneficial as well. My advice to third sector companies or organisations that are looking for accounting software is to definitely try Sage 50 accounts. It's definitely helped Elevation Networks in terms of the daily functions and reporting and tracking transactions. I think is a really good software to use, and I think it's something those third sector organisations to definitely give a try.